Welcome to our channel where we take you behind the scenes of construction industry. Today we are diving into the world of UPVC windows, showing you how they are made. So let's get started. The process begins with cutting the UPVC profiles into desired shapes. These profiles are carefully measured and cut to be exact specification using advanced machinery. This precision ensures that each window will fit perfectly into the designated space. Once the profiles are cut, they are joined together using a technique called heat pressing. The profiles are heated and pressed together, creating a strong and seamless bond. This ensures that windows are not only durable but also highly energy efficient. After the heat pressing process, the windows go through a thorough cleanup and redefining stage. Any excess material or imperfections are carefully removed, resulting in smooth and flawless finish. This attention to detail guarantees that every UPVC window meet our strict quality standards. Finally, the UPVC windows are made ready for installation. They undergo a series of tests to ensure their functionality, such as checking the opening and closing mechanisms and inspecting the seals for airtightness. This meticulous quality control ensures that our customer receive windows of highest quality. And there you have it, the journey of how UPVC windows are made, from cutting the profiles to the final installation. If you are considering upgrading your windows, UPVC is a fantastic choice for its durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into construction industry. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about UPVC windows, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.